my name is Itiel Schwartz and I'm Komodor CTO, and today I'm going to give you a walkthrough of the Komodor FSO integration. But before I'm going to start with the integration, a bit of a background around Komodor. Komodor is a Kubernetes reliability platform, and what it means is that we simplified Kubernetes in a way that it makes sense for humans. And that means that we help two different personas in the organizations. We help the cluster operators to make sure that he manages clusters as he should, and that includes policies enablement, infrastructure issues detection, and maintenance and cluster upgrade in a streamlined manner. And on the other hand, for developers, we simplify Kubernetes and the Kubernetes troubleshooting process by giving them guided troubleshooting and a full-blown understanding and context around issues and around how to solve issues. So basically what Komodor does for every issue in Kubernetes is give them three things: what happened, why did it happen, and what they should do now. And we do that by simply tracking and auditing every change that happened inside the Kubernetes cluster. So for every change, we're able to show you exactly what changed and also what was the impact of that change. For example, a change in a workload image might make the pods unavailable or not working as expected. In Komodor, we're able to see that. As part of the Komodor FSO integration, we're going to focus mainly around the troubleshooting aspect, and more than that, around the changing intelligent aspect of Komodor, meaning the ability to track all of the changes that happen in the workload, what changed and what's their status. So this is like an example cluster of Komodor and FSO. I can click on the changes, which is basically Komodor unique data source, and this is going to give me for a specific workload everything that changed in that specific workload. So I can click on here and I can see that I have two events. One is the deploy started, deploy ended, and I can see exactly how much time did the deploy take. And on the right side, I have all of the changes that happen, and those changes are taken directly from within Kubernetes. And that means that even if someone did a manual change or something like that, Komodor will capture it. More than that, we analyze if the change was successful or not, and I can see that this change was indeed successful, but the other change had an error. Basically, it had an issue, and now we need to go and deep dive and understand exactly what happened. In Komodor, we can jump directly to Komodor and finish the investigation with our guided troubleshooting experience, but I can also go to FSO for that specific workload to continue the investigation and basically to understand exactly the metrics, the logs, and everything that happened in this specific workload over that period of time.